welcome to my tutorial about how to communicate. There are several options for communication, and I am on my viewer, Virtual Vanguards viewer. It's built from Singularity, and usually in the lower left corner you will see local chat. And this is where you can type things that are going to be seen in public. So if I wanted to type something to a group of people where everybody can see it, then I would use this line. I would put my cursor in there, I would click inside of it, and then I would type something. As you can see, it comes up on the side right here. You can also sometimes bring up like your local chat right here by clicking on one of the bottom buttons down here, and then you can see the history of everything in local chat. So I'll type something else. So if someone were near me, they'd be able to read this and they can see that it comes from me. My avatar's name is Virtual Vanguards. This is also where objects will chat, like from script and things like that. The second way to do to chat or to communicate is through instant messaging someone. Typically to instant message, the easiest way I believe is to find an avatar that's around you, right click. Since this is me, I don't get the same menu as I would with someone else, but let me log someone in and I'll be right back and I'll show you how that works. Okay, I'm back and I have someone logged in here. So this is the person that I'm going to chat with. So I would right click with my mouse and then I can go down to send IM, and that means instant message. So that is whatever I type to her, that's going to be privately seen between just the two of us and no one else can see it. So I type that and then she can respond, which that's actually my avatar on a different viewer. So I'll go to that viewer. You just heard the notification come up and I sent her something. So it says here you have one new IM. I bring that up. Okay, so here you have your contacts, which it shows contacts. Then we have local chat. So you just have to push that to see what's in local chat. And then you push the avatar name and you can see hello just showed up. So then I can type hello again. So then if I switch over to my other avatar, you can see that I just replied to myself hello back. So another way, if you can't click on the person, you can see people that are nearby you. You can go to the communicate, and again you have your contacts. This would be your friends, local chat, and you can click on anybody's name in local chat. And then again, that I was chatting with her. Now let me log off with her and then I'll be right back and we'll teach you how to set up and use voice. Using voice can sometimes be difficult to set up because different viewers react in different ways. But I'm going to show you the basics on how to set it up. Using Singularity, you would go under Edit and then you're going to find Preferences. And this is Preferences down at the bottom, and I will be doing this in Firestorm as well. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is find Voice Chat, which is the tab to the left right here. And you want to make sure that it says Enable Voice Chat at this point. You can allow multiple instances if you like. Sometimes that's a little bit too much because of reverb and all of these things. The next thing you're going to want to do is check device settings. So see how these green lines come up? That means that my default voice is working. If I want to use a headset, like right now I have a USB ear microphone plugged in, then I can choose that and you can see that's working as well. So for now I'm just going to leave it at default. And then you click apply and then you close out. Now sometimes in order for these changes to take place, you might have to restart your viewer and re-log back in. Now how to talk. If you want to talk using Singularity, there's this button, you see it says hold the button to talk. So what I would do is I would hold it, and as you can see, this green sounding thing comes up over my head, which shows that I'm talking in world. And I'm sitting here holding the talk button with my left mouse click. Now right beside of it there's a little icon. It says click lock to switch between talk mode. If I want to just have it clicked on all the time without having to hold my mouse there, then I can click that lock button and it will automatically have me talking without having to push anything. But you've got to be careful with that because anything you say means that people can hear you at any time. So just be careful to remember to remove that once you're finished talking. So I'm going to click the talk button, and right now again I'm talking to you but not in world because I have not clicked this. I'm not holding it. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up in Firestorm, and I'll be right back. So I am back inside, and I'm going to turn these sounds down so they're not too bothersome here. Okay, so I am in Firestorm now, and Firestorm's preferences are set under Avatar. That's the second menu down. So what you do is on this one you find the Sound and Media tab, and from there you go to Voice Settings. You want to make sure Enable Voice is clicked, and then you can have your audio device set up right here. So as you can see, it's still working, and it's working on the default, or if I wanted to choose my earphone or some other one, I could. So then you would just OK that or apply it. And now for this one, let me make this a little bit smaller so you can see nearby chat. See, this would be the general chat that you would originally see. On Firestorm, you would push and hold the microphone button. Actually, you just click it once because it has this checked. And as you can see, I have this green over my head again. So that means that I am talking in world. The green right here is doing the same thing. That means it's working and anyone can hear me. You can also chat on voice privately among friends, but that's another tutorial for another day. I hope you have learned a lot, and I hope you are enjoying your time in Virtual Vanguards and Opensim, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Bye!